Range rule of thumb for understanding standard deviation. The range rule of thumb is a crude but simple tool for understanding and interpreting standard deviation. The vast majority, such as 95% of sample values, lie within 2 standard deviations of the mean. We can improve the accuracy of this rule by taking into account such factors as the size of the sample and its distribution. But here we sacrifice the accuracy for the sake of simplicity. The concept of significance that follows will be enhanced later in this course. Now, especially those that include a topic of hypothesis tests, which are also called tests of significance. Now, the following range rule of thumb is based on the population mean and the population standard deviation. But for large and representative samples, we could also use the sample mean and the sample standard deviation instead. Now here's the range rule of thumb for identifying significant values. Significantly low, or also known as unusual values, are the mean minus 2 times the standard deviation or lower. Significantly high, also known as unusual values, are the mean plus 2 times the standard deviation or higher. Values that are not significant, which are usual, are between the mean minus 2 times the standard deviation, which is equal to the mean minus 2 times the standard deviation, and the mean plus 2 times the standard deviation, which is equal to the mean plus 2 times the standard deviation. So this graph kind of resembles this a little bit better. In the middle, we have the mean. To your left, this number would represent the mean minus 2 times the standard deviation. To the right, this number would be the mean plus 2 times the standard deviation. Anything in between, those values are not significant. Further to the left, so if it goes past this value, then it's a significantly low value. If it goes past this one on the right, then therefore this is significantly high values. Now a caution, an outcome can be statistically significant and it may or may not be important. So don't associate statistical significance with importance.